In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a chat-triggered AI workflow that generates charts automatically. We'll start by setting up the trigger that kicks everything off. Add the When Chat Message Received node. This listens for incoming messages in your chat interface and immediately passes them into the workflow. Think of it as the doorbell. The moment a user says something like, "Create a bar chart of quarterly sales," this node captures that message and moves it forward for processing. Next, bring in the AI agent node. The agent is your workflow's coordinator and decision maker. It reads the user's message, chooses the best path, and decides whether to call a tool. In our case, whenever the request involves creating a chart, the agent knows to invoke a dedicated chart generation tool rather than just replying with text. To power the agent's reasoning, connect the OpenAI chat model node. This is the language model that interprets intent, formulates helpful replies, and decides when tools should be used. It will parse the user's instructions and help the agent translate natural language into structured actions, especially when the goal is to output clean chart data. To keep the conversation coherent, add the window buffer memory node. This stores recent turns in the chat so the AI can remember context. If the user follows up with, "Make it a line chart instead," the agent won't start from scratch. It will recall the earlier request and adjust accordingly. Now add the Generate a Chart tool node. This gives the agent the ability to hand off chart-related work to a specialized component. When the agent detects a chart request, it forwards the user's instructions to this tool, extending the workflow beyond simple responses. Inside that tool, use the Execute Workflow Trigger node. This starts the internal chart creation process. It receives the chart query from the agent and prepares it for the next stage, cleanly separating the main chat logic from the chart-building workflow so both can run smoothly. Then, add the OpenAI Generate Chart Definition node. Here, the AI produces a structured chart configuration using a strict JSON schema. Instead of unstructured text, you'll get reliable fields for chart type, labels, datasets, and display options, perfect for downstream use. Finally, add the Set Response node. This converts the structured configuration into a chart image URL that can be shown directly in chat. The user immediately sees a visual chart based on their request, making the experience fast, clear, and interactive.